Welcome back once again, guys, to my channel with a very beautiful video. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I review on the classy and attractive jeans dresses, skirts, and mini dresses outfit ideas for every type of waist size. First of all, I want to thank all those who like my videos. Keep supporting and loving, guys. Here we go. I am showing you some cool skirts and best mini dresses ever. Watch this video to find out your favorite mini dress from this season. So, guys, stay with me. Outstanding and alternative jeans, skirts, and mini dresses. Outfit ideas of this season for beautiful ladies. To elevate the ensemble even further, celebrities often accessorize with statement jewelry or carry a bold clutch. These eye-catching accessories not only complement the jeans, skirts, and mini dress. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Satra Products. Do it now to get weekly updates of trending fashion and trending outfit ideas, and hit the like button or leave a beautiful comment in comments section. I am waiting for your feedback and must visit my channel, guys. After watching this video, skirts and mini dress is all about pairing them with the right pieces to achieve a laid-back and comfortable style. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in another video. Keep watching and sharing my videos. Keep smiling. Bye.